I've done a little more cleanup, and basically all I've done is go along those white lines that you saw in the last video and just taken out the white stuff, which makes it really easy to separate the muscles. And now the muscles are really obvious, okay, the distinction between them. Well, mostly. There's a couple that are kind of hard to tell the difference. So let me show you the handout that goes with these muscles. And I want to show you that before I separated them, they looked like this. And they just didn't look like much of anything. Oh, let's get these layers here. There we go. They were like that. Okay, so they all look like one muscle. And it's when you follow those really faint white lines, separate them out. And as you start separating, you see these little areas of connective tissue. That's what you're going to break to separate the muscles. Now we can see there's another one here. You can kind of see an indentation here. So we can see those are separate muscles as well. So here's the diagram that goes with this area of the mink. So we've got a couple of different rhomboid muscles. Rhomboideus is the muscle, Latin for rhomboid. And so we've got a rhomboideus capitis, which is this one, okay? Capitis meaning head. So this one connects to the head. And remember that on you, the rhomboids connect the medial border of the scapula to the spine. On the mink, there's one rhomboid that connects to the head. That's the rhomboideus capitis. Then there's a rhomboideus cervicis, which connects to the neck. Now the mink has this really long neck. So rhomboideus cervicis means from the medial border of the scapula to the neck. And then there's a rhomboideus thoracis, which I'm going to be honest, I had a really hard time with, and it's down here. Okay, let me see if I can get that in focus. In this thoracic region. Okay, now this, which looks like a shoulder. There we go. So you can see it kind of looks like a shoulder. That's actually the scapula. Now on yours, you're going to be able to feel it. You can feel the scapula bone in there. And this is the supraspinatus above the spine. And then you can feel the spine right in there. And there's the infraspinatus under it. So I'm going to go ahead and separate those, and then we'll work a little more on these even deeper muscles on the back.